Are we alone in the universe? Or are we being visited by extraterrestrial beings traveling in unidentified flying objects, more commonly known as UFOs? This question has sparked a debate that has spanned decades, engaging both believers and skeptics in a cosmic game of cat and mouse. On one side of this debate, we find those who ardently believe in the existence of UFOs. Their conviction is often fueled by a myriad of eyewitness accounts, photographs, and videos that depict aerial phenomena defying the limits of known human technology. Accounts from pilots, military personnel, and everyday civilians tell tales of objects moving at unfathomable speeds, executing maneuvers that would be impossible for our conventional aircraft, and exhibiting unconventional shapes or lights. Adding fuel to this cosmic fire is the involvement of various governments. Declassified military documents and acknowledgments by the United States and other countries confirm investigations into aerial phenomena that remain unidentified. The recent release of videos captured by military aircraft that show encounters with unknown objects has only added to the intrigue and mystery surrounding the UFO phenomenon. But on the other side of this interstellar argument, skeptics stand firm. They suggest that many UFO sightings can be explained away by natural phenomena such as atmospheric anomalies, weather balloons, or celestial events. Moreover, they point to the human tendency to misinterpret or sensationalize ordinary occurrences in the sky as a significant contributor to the perception of UFOs. As we move further into the 21st century, advancements in technology have provided new tools for studying UFO reports. However, the lack of concrete evidence, such as tangible artifacts or incontrovertible scientific data, leaves the existence of extraterrestrial visitors as uncertain as ever. Many scientists underscore the importance of critical thinking and rigorous investigation when evaluating UFO claims. Projects such as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, focus on exploring signals from distant stars, rather than relying on anecdotal accounts. In the end, the question of whether UFOs exist remains as open as the universe itself. Opinions vary as widely as the galaxies. While there are compelling accounts and evidence supporting the existence of unidentified flying objects, the scientific community generally urges a measured and evidence-based approach, emphasizing the need for rigorous scrutiny and further investigation to determine the true nature of these enigmatic sightings. So, as we gaze into the stars above, we are left with an enduring mystery that continues to fuel our curiosity and imagination. The debate over the existence of UFOs is far from over, and the search for answers continues. The universe is vast, and perhaps, just perhaps, we are not alone.